A Claiborne County contractor received yet another delay as he appeared in court for a preliminary hearing on fraud and other charges. 6 on Your Side consumer investigator Don Dare has been following this case since April.
Well, Don, the hearing in Claiborne County was for Joe Bray, a popular race car driver at the Tazewell dirt track. In his day job, Bray did business under the name of Bray Roofing. We started receiving calls from his former customers 3 months ago. In checking court records, we discovered civil and criminal charges for fraud against Joe Bray. His first appearance in court was a few days ago. In Claiborne County Court, Judge Robert Estep called the name of his next defendant.
Joseph Bray. Here.
After months of waiting, roofing contractor Joe Bray finally had his day in court, but it was postponed for the second time since mid-May. Claiborne County Court records show Joe Bray has been charged with 4 felony counts of home improvement fraud for failing to refund money. Also, half a dozen other people have filed civil cases against Bray, who was a popular local race car driver in Claiborne County.
This is a picture that was posted on his Facebook on, I think, September 5th, showing that he was the winner of a race that Sunday.
And this is just 3 months after he took your money.
Yeah, it was during the time that I was hounding him to get my money back.
Warren Austin hired Bray to put a new roof on his home in New Tazewell. The contract was written on June 23, 2023. The amount paid to Bray, $4,000, half of the total charge. The new roof was supposed to be on the home by the end of July last year, but Bray kept on stalling.
And during that time, I kept asking him, when are you going to start? And I got nothing but a bunch of excuses that whole time.
At Taylor's Grove Missionary Baptist Church in Union County, church leaders paid Bray $13,000 to buy building materials for a new roof. He never showed up to do the work in March of last year. A second contractor was hired to finish the job. Warren Austin is one of Bray's few customers who have gotten their money back. Mr. Austin went after Bray's home in New Tazewell and won.
Well, originally I went to small claims court and I got a judgment against him and put a lien on his house. And he recently sold his house and I got paid.
During Bray's preliminary hearing last week, Judge Estep recused himself because of a conflict of interest. The case has been postponed until mid-August, when a different judge will preside.
I'll be there, and if they need me to testify, I will.
What will you tell the judge?
I'll tell him what happened.
We caught up with Bray outside the courthouse in New Tazewell.
A lot of people want to know, why didn't you do the work when they gave you the money? Can you explain that?
While he refused to talk with us, he'll have to explain to a judge why he allegedly failed to honor contracts and what he did with his customers' money. Now, at Taylor's Grove Missionary Baptist in Union County, Bray posed as a preacher there, according to the Union News Leader. Church leaders we talked with said they pleaded with Bray to finish the job, but Bray claimed he was unable to work on the roof due to medical problems. Members of the church told us also that he stopped answering their phone calls. Court documents show that other former customers in 3 different counties had similar issues with Joe Bray. And we'll continue to follow this story. Don?
All right, thank you very much. And now, if you have a consumer question, consumer-related issue that Don can help you with, you can send him an email at ddare@wate.com. You can also give him a call, record your message at 865-633-6923.